Hey guys, what's up? Eli here. In this video, I'm going to talk to you all about improving your Facebook feedback score and why ROAS is not the only number that you should be concerned about in your business. So, what is the Facebook feedback score? Well, Facebook's priority is the user and the user experience. Now, Facebook surveys people now who make purchases through Facebook, Instagram, and the audience network to understand their post-purchase, post-click experience. Because Facebook knows negative feedback helps identify ads and advertisers that offer low quality post-click purchase experiences. Many times ads have misrepresented products, expected shipping times, or resulted in customer support services that all of which do not meet the customer's expectations. Now, what does this mean for your business? Well, if an advertiser receives a significant amount of negative feedback, Facebook considers all ads from this advertiser as lower quality. This means that ads will experience ad delivery penalties and their ads will receive lower reach for the same budget. So you're going to get less eyeballs on your ads for the same amount of money you put in. Facebook uses this information to give each business a score from 0 to 5. Now, these scores are updated on a continual basis based on recent feedback, but you want to keep your ad score above 2. Pages with a score between 2 and 1 will see delivery penalty applied, meaning the reach will be less for the same budget. But if your page score drops below 1, you will automatically be disabled from running ads on Facebook. You do not want to get your score below 2. You definitely do not want to get your score below 1. Now, this is what you can do to make sure that doesn't happen. You want to focus on the customer, not on your wallet. Now, you should continually monitor your customer feedback because, like I said, your score, it's based on the most recent feedback, so it's always going to be going up and down. So be clear about what you're selling. Don't overhype things. As marketers, it's easy to go out there and overhype something, but it will come back and bite you. Pictures, videos, and all other creative should accurately represent what is being sold. Set clear expectations for shipping. This is where I see a lot of people fall down. Clearly list on your website, on your product pages, on your order confirmation pages, and in your confirmation emails exactly what your shipping times are and be honest about them. If people think that they're going to get 2-day shipping and they're getting maybe 20, 25, 30-day shipping, that is when you're going to have a lot of customer complaints and your Facebook feedback score is going to plummet and take a dive and you'll be out of business. Improving your product quality and improving your shipping times will be two of the biggest things that you can do to keep your customers happy. Now, this will not only improve your feedback score, it will also increase the lifetime value of your customers. This means that customers will want to come back and buy from you more than once. Now, you can check your Facebook feedback score at www.facebook.com/ads/customer_feedback. While I think that you should aim to create a customer-focused business, here are some quick solutions that you can use to improve or reduce the likelihood that your customer feedback score will drop. Now, method 1 is you're actually able to go in and extend the delivery speed of the review that is sent to your customers. So you can manually extend the delivery speed when a Facebook review is shown to your customers. As a default, this review is set to be shown to your customers at 4 weeks. You're actually able to go in and manually extend it from 4 weeks to the maximum, which is 8 weeks. This allows customers more time to receive their products. The last thing you want someone doing is filling out a review when they haven't even received their product, because I guarantee they're not going to give you a good review. Also, extending it, they're less likely to provide negative feedback, and they're also less likely to just complete the review in the first place. So that is method 1. I'm actually going to go in there now and I'll show you exactly how to do this. So you want to come into www.facebook.com/ads/customer_feedback. You just want to come down here, set your delivery speed, click on it. As a default, it's 4 weeks after purchase. You just want to click on that come down 8 weeks. So now they're going to get that review 8 weeks after they purchased. You just want to click save and boom, just like that, all of a sudden now you've extended that time when they're actually going to get that review, and that is going to reduce the chances of lowering your feedback score. Method 2, this tip is going to show you not just how to prevent your feedback score from reducing, but it's actually going to show you how to implement something that will boost it, that will get customers to go out of their way to give you good quality reviews. Now, this is using gamification. Now, if you're not sure what gamification is, it is the application of game design elements and game principles in non-game contexts. Now, we can implement gamification post-purchase to ethically bribe buyers to complete their customer feedback score early and provide us with positive feedback. Now, we do this in the form of contests and giveaways using the software Viper. Viper allows us to push customers to complete their feedback score early on the confirmation page, in the confirmation email, and in post-purchase flows. So we're able to push customers to our giveaways, get them to give us a good review, and that will then let them go in the draw to give them a chance to win some really great prizes. The Facebook feedback score is really important. So I really want you, if you're going to do a giveaway, really create something that is sexy. Giving a 10% discount code on your store is not sexy. Giving away $100, $200, $300 of prizes each and every month is sexy, and it is well worth it when it comes to allowing you to advertise on Facebook's platform. If you're prepared to spend $100, $200, $300 on prizes, as a return, you can potentially make, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month on Facebook. But you can't do that if Facebook deems you a poor advertiser delivering poor experiences, because they will cut you off, they will kick you out, paying a bit of money, so increase the chances of you staying on that platform long term. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. Now it's going to say, thank you for your recent purchase. Complete 2 simple tasks and start winning some amazing prizes. New winners drawn every month. So this month I'm going to give away a $100 Amazon gift card. I'm going to give away a $50 Amazon gift card. And I'm also going to give away a $20 gift card to my store. Now, winners are drawn at random, so all they have to do is come in, register. It's really simple, and all they have to do is complete these 2 things. Now, I've added in follow us on Instagram as well. I thought, I just didn't want to keep it as that one. And if they complete those, so they get 200 points for completing rating our ad on Facebook, and following us on Instagram, they get 100 points. So if they complete both of these tasks, they will go in the draw to win a $100 Amazon gift card. They also go in the draw to win $50 Amazon gift card, $20 gift card to my store. But if they complete both of these tasks, they will also get given a $5 gift card at my store, and they'll come back to my store and spend more money with me. And that's great because I still make money off them, especially when I don't have to pay Facebook advertising costs. Now, I'll just click on this one. So this is the important one. It's rate our ad on Facebook. So it just requires them to log in on a desktop computer. This is why it's really important you have a sexy offer, because if people see that they have to come back on desktop, they're probably not going to want to do that because most people are using mobile if they're not incentivized enough. So it's important that your offer is sexy. So this just tells them what to do. Click the link below, locate the ad for my store, click the leave feedback, rate it as satisfied, and then select whatever matters to them most, and then enter their email address below so we can verify it. So all they do is click on the button. Once they've found us, they're going to click on leave feedback, and we're going to click satisfied. Now, whatever matters to them most. So let's go product quality, next, not worry about that. And then all of a sudden, we've given some positive feedback on his ad, and that's making Facebook think, hey, Nate's doing a good job. We're going to boost his feedback score and continue to let him run ads on our platform. Okay, so in the customer's eyes, that's the experience that they're going to get. But by doing that, they're also then going to go in the chance to win those great prizes. So that's really effective way of using gamification to not just prevent your Facebook feedback score from dropping, but also incentivize people to increase it. So ethically bribing people to increase your Facebook feedback score. So guys, that video has really explained why the Facebook feedback score is important, what it means, and why you should care about it. It's also given you a way to quickly reduce the chances of your Facebook feedback score lowering, that's by extending the delivery time. It's also giving you another more advanced hack, and that is using gamification to increase your Facebook feedback score. Now, if you got any value from that, I would love you to click the like, comment, and subscribe button to the channel. Also, if you haven't already, in the description below, there's the link to come and join the Explosive E-commerce Facebook group. It's all about people who are trying to get better at e-commerce and just really helping each other progress and grow forward and really help each other do well. So if you want to be in a community with like-minded people just like you, interested on doing better at Facebook, Facebook ads, e-commerce in general, click the link below, come join. We'd love to have you in there. All right, guys, Eli Richardson. See you later. Bye.